All right, guys, we're here at Traffic Jams today. We got some new exciting things going on. Today we have some new fuel wheels that came in. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing. We're gonna walk out and check those wheels out. They're for a 2017 Chevy Silverado. So hope you liked what we have, and we'll get back to it. Here we go. Check out these wheels. They package these things pretty tight, man. Feel does a good job. Shout out to my boy John, MHT Wheels. Appreciate the love, man. Wow, those are impressive. These right here are gonna be for my boy Big Hot. I hooked you up, homie. Don't ever forget it, man. Nice wheels.